Pa. Yan guys, medyo tanghali na at aga ang gising dapat. So biyahe pa, kaso medyo marami pang ginawa, kaya relax mo muna tayo. Sariling speed lang muna, on speed 15 kilometers per hour siguro. Nakuha lang natin yung tamang momentum. Habulin natin yun, mountain bike sila. Let's go guys. Yan, so ngayon lang tayo ulit nakapag-rides. Medyo natagalan. Okay lang, ganun talaga. Hindi man ang bumalik eh. And guys, so ang Karawaci Loop siguro mga around 7 kilometers sa isang loop. So try natin kung makailang loop tayo today. Medyo tanghali na, kaya baka na masyadong makitang nagra-rides. Pero normally pag Sunday rides, there are a lot of people riding in here. Marami na improvements dito. So nung tumira ako dito 5 years ago or 7 years ago, wala pa yung mga yan, no? Hindi ako nakatira dati. Yan, habol tayo doon guys. May mga nagra-rides din. Tamang ikot lang tayo today. Mga 4 rounds or 4 laps. Ayan guys, medyo natagalan tayo din nag-rides, pero back to the road tayo ulit. So gusto kong kunan yung buong lap para makita natin. Yan, dyan kami dati nakatira for 6 years. Taman Cindana. Yan. Tapos dito yung Pasar. Saan kami bumibili ng pangit na andan dito guys. So, hindi na ako tutuloy dito mamaya. Yan, may kapihan pa dun, oh. Ayun, oh. Sarap. Pero babagal ka dito. Sunod lang tayo mga second lap guys. Makawala natin yung speed natin. Kahit ng daan sa dulo lang to guys. Pwede rin naman tumuloy dito. Yan, so dito na yung end. Yan guys, yun ang paikot. So pag dumiretso ko lang doon, yun yung way. So isang loop na to, diretso lang mga around 7 to 8 kilometers siguro. Ganun kalayo. Tamang ano lang, tamang practice ride lang. GoPros. Yan lang, yung mga aso ko kaya no. Kampal. Yan guys. Medyo malayo.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's
ang kagandahan sa Karawat
wrong.
Silog guys, puro makahoy, mahangin, malilim. Ngayon medyo 9 o'clock na, okay pa rin ang weather saka yung heat. Dahil ito lang tuturo guys, SPH, Roland Pelita Harapan, sa good school. Tapos na yata sila. Yun. There's one loop. Ano lang pala guys. 4 kilometers. Kala ko sana. glitch. So hindi pa condition yung aking brain ng unglitch at glitch. So una, so after nun, nung kasabay ko na si Sir Red, yan yung sa may part ng timbangan, yung may train. So kailangan mo pumasok sa ano ng train, stopping train, papasok ka. So medyo naladala ko to, pero okay lang. Yan na yung last na alam kong crucial kasi may mga sasakyan sa likod at may mga motor. So shout out sa mga Indonesian riders, mga motor, kasi sila pa yung kasama ni Sir Red na help me out kasi hindi ko man-glitch yung ano ko eh. Glitch ko sa pedal, foot pedal. Okay lang. Learning experience, sabi nga. GoPro, stop recording. Alright guys, tatlong lap lang tayo. 3 laps are good. Just to get back in shape. Isang buwan tayong walang rides, puro basketball. So dito muna tayo sa Karawaci Loop. Tamang papawis lang. Medyo mainit na rin kasi na alas 10 na eh. Pero tama lang din pag medyo mainit ka nag-practice, your endurance will get better. Alright guys, back to the road. Ya, ito. Hebat ini. Baru coba ini Karawaci Loop. Hebat. Tapi capek. Ada apa, Pak? Banyak orang? Okay. Yeah, open house ya. Alright guys, so it's a good ride today, about 11 miles for 38 minutes. It's a good practice ride today. So almost 1 month no ride. Came back today with about an hour. Now it's like 40 minutes for about 11 miles. Alright, it's good today.